In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the real way to make money online with Clickbank. Hey, hello, my name is Ana Castillo and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're on my channel, let me share with you a little bit about my story and why I'm really passionate about this. Okay, when I started my online journey, I did something super different of what I'm doing right now. At that time, I was blogging. Everything was super cool. The business was great. Unfortunately, I met the wrong person at the wrong time and at the wrong moment, and I suffered a huge scam. Although a lot of people focus on the money side of the scam, I always talk about my mindset, how my mindset was affected, and the fact that I actually was forced to sell my online business and get not one but two full-time jobs because I was full of debts. You know, if you have a banking situation right now that you got a loan or you got a credit card, you know that they don't care who used the money. It's actually, it is under your name. It's you're the one who's in charge. So that was my case. So in order to survive, I had to have not one but two full-time jobs. To keep this story short, I can tell you that I'm really passionate about the digital marketing experience because thanks to my online business, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. I was able to pay my debts and actually I'm living the life the way I want it. Okay. It's not all about money. It's also about the fact that you can spend more time with your family, more time with your loved ones. If you want to travel and enjoy life, you can definitely do it. I'm not going to tell you that this is something that is going to be happening overnight, but what I want to tell you that is actually something that is actually possible and everything started with a decision. So if you're watching this video, it's because you want something different. Let me share with you my screen because as I told you before, I'm going to show you the real way to earn money with Clickbank. Just in case that you don't know, Clickbank is one of the biggest marketplace. It's not the only one. If you cannot use Clickbank in your country for whatever reason, there are other alternative out there. Literally, you can Google Clickbank alternative. But this is a marketplace that I really like. I have been using it for a real long time. And in order to join, literally, you have two options. You can click here where it says start here, or you can go here and it says affiliates start here. You are gonna be you're gonna need to provide some information like your email, your full name, create a password and account. And once you have your account, it's gonna be looking something like this. This is the Clickbank marketplace. As you can see, they do have different categories. For example, you can recommend products, and this is something that I'm doing right now. I'm recommending other people products and services in exchange as a commission. Okay, I don't have to create a product. I don't have to deal with customer service. I don't have to pay uh, to process the payments. The only thing that I do is that I recommend the products based on my experience. Like if you watch a movie and you talk all day long about the movie because you really like it, if you have a great experience because you went to a restaurant, it's basically the same. So that's the reason why you can actually recommend products here based on business, education, games, health and fitness, home and gardening, software and services, sports, you name it. And if you speak more than one language, you are going to have the opportunity to choose the language that you want here. Okay. Also, here you can choose how much money you want the product to actually be paying you. So here you're going to have the average conversion and the initial conversion. So you can put the amount here. Okay. But don't get me wrong. Whenever I'm going to be looking for a product, first thing is that I only recommend products and services that I use. As I told you before, I do it like if I watch a movie and I really enjoy it, I'm talking about that movie all day long. Okay, so here you have to go and you need to sort the results by gravity. What does that mean? That there are more than one affiliate or there are more than one person who is actually getting results by promoting that product. And that's what we want. Okay, so right now you can see here that there is something that it's called the affiliate page. Here on the affiliate page, you are going to have more information about the product, like the demography, everything about their target audience. If they allow you to run ads, you're going to have more information about that. You're going to have something that's called a lead magnet. I'm going to be talking more about the lead magnet and email marketing in a moment. So you're going to have that. And here, for example, we have the average conversion. It's over $100, almost $200, 185 with 12 cents. But this is a physical product. Here we have another product, the Brainson Killer New Memory Offer. The average conversion is $50. We have other supplements. We have another product here. This is also a digital product, but you are going to notice that you have the affiliate page. Once you choose the product that you like, you're going to grab your link by clicking here where it says get affiliate link. Okay, that's the link that you are going to be using in order to recommend the product. But don't make the mistake that most people do, is that what they usually do is they do the hit and miss strategy. Okay, for example, they can be watching a YouTube video that you record, go to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, you name it. And most people are like, okay, I'm going to be sharing my link with everybody. Okay, sharing my affiliate link, and I'm going to be earning money. Okay, with the hit and miss strategy, you are earning, well, you're earning just a bad time. That's the only thing that you're going to get, because you need to understand that most of the time people don't purchase a product right away. Not because they don't want it. Sometimes it's because they they are not at the right time at the right moment. Sometimes they do have the money, but they cannot, you know, take out their credit card information and fill out the form. Sometimes they get distracted. Life happens. That's what I meant. Okay, life happens. And if you get a sale, there is no way you're gonna be super happy, but there's no way that you can make more sales, okay, to the same customer, because you're not going to have their information. So if they purchase something and then you find something else that you can recommend, you are not going to be, you know, earning with that. So my suggestion is go and create a system. Everything started with the same. Everything starting with YouTube channel, Facebook, it can be faceless videos on TikTok, Instagram, you name it. But now you're going to send them to what we call a capture page. Okay, you're going to send them to what we call a capture page. And on the capture page, you are going to collect their name and email address. Okay, you're going to connect their name and email address. Diana, what are we going to be offering? That's the coolest thing that you can get on the affiliate page. Remember the one that I mentioned it before here, the affiliate page. Most of the time they give you the lead magnet. If they don't give you the lead magnet, don't panic. Okay? Don't panic, because what you can actually do is that you can actually go to ChatGPT and insert all the information of the product, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to be recommending something that you know, that you like, that you have tested in the past. And you can tell ChatGPT that you need to create a lead magnet. So ChatGPT is going to be helping you with that. So then we are going to be sending them to what we call a bridge page. Here you can have a small video or text that you're telling them like, hey, then next logical step, it's go now to your affiliate link. And you're going to tell them like you're going to be sending the lead magnet to the email. Cool thing about that is that you can promote these products, this product multiple times via email. You can promote other products and services. Okay. So this is actually how I was able to replace my full-time job, because I have an ecosystem that is actually working with me or for me while I have my two full-time jobs. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So now, how do you actually create this? If you have zero design skills, this is something super new, you're going to see that it's actually super simple. There's a tool that I use that is called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a free account. It's not a free trial. It's a 100% free account. And you can create what we call a simple funnel. So you're going to click here where it says sites. You're going to create sales funnels. Then you're going to click here where it says create. You're going to type a name, choose your domain. If you have, I suggest you to have one. It's like $20 per year, something like that, usually less. Then you're going to click here where it says build an audience, and you're going to click here where it says save. Now you're going to click here in the name, and you're going to notice that you're going to have two pages, okay? The very first page is the one that I told you, which is a capture page. Okay, it can be as simple and as complicated as you want. One really nice thing about System.io is that this is a drag and drop builder. Okay, so there is no need for coding or things like that. Okay, here you're going to capture their name. You're going to choose the one that you like. And here you're going to notice that you have a second page. This is the bridge page. Okay, here if you are actually going to be putting your affiliate link. Okay, so this is actually how it actually works. And as I told you, this is actually how I was able to replace not one but two full-time jobs. So if you want to learn more about this, check the following video, watch the following video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.